Today, we'll be studying the same topic which we were continuing, ratio and proportion. In the previous video, we have already solved some of the questions related to the concept ratio. We'll be solving here furthermore questions. So let's start with the question 1. The ratio between the two numbers is 4:5. If the LCM is 180, find the numbers. Let the numbers be, we have assumed 4x and 5x, and the LCM of 4 and 5x will be 20x, and the LCM given to us is 180. So 20x is equals to 180. This would help us in finding out the value of x. X is equals to 180 upon 20. 0 would get cancelled. 2 9s are 18. X is equals to 9. So the value of x has come 9. But they are asking, we have to find out the numbers, and we have assumed the number 4x and 5x. So 4 into 9, first number will be 36, and the second number 5x is there. 5 into 9, value of x is 9. 5 into 9, 45, and the second number is 45. So the first number is 36 and the second number is 45. Question 2. A certain quantity of wheat is divided into two parts in the ratio 5:8. If the second part is 112 kg, we have to find out the first part and the total quantity of the wheat. First of all, for calculation of the first part, ratio is given to us 5:8. That is 5 kg and 8 kg. If the second part is 8 kg, then first one is 5 kg, and if second one we have assumed if it is 1 kg, then our first one will be 5/8. So here we are applying the unitary method concept. If second part is 112 kg, then our first part will be 5/8 into 112. We'll be seeing in which table it is getting cancelled. After doing all the calculation, we are getting 5/8 into 112 gives you 70 kg. 70 kg is the portion of our first part, and the second part is already given to us 112 kg. In the next part, they are asking the total quantity of the wheat. 70 plus 112, that is equal to 182 kg. Question 3. Two numbers are in the ratio 10:13. If the difference between the numbers is given to us 48, we have to find the numbers. We'll be solving this question by applying the unitary method concept. Difference 13 minus 10, that is 3. If the difference is 3, then our first number is given to us 10. And if we'll be taking the difference as 1, then our number will become 10/3. And as per the question, difference is given to us 48. So we'll apply here unitary method. 48 into 10/3. After doing the calculation portion, we are getting 160. Then the second one, if the difference is 3 as we have calculated, but as per the question it is given 13. The two numbers are in the ratio 10:13. The second one is 13, and the difference between them is 48. If the difference in place of 3 we are keeping now 48, then our second number will be 48 into 13/3. After doing the calculation, we are getting 208 as the second number. We have to find out the numbers. So our required numbers will be 160 and 208. We have solved the questions today of ratios. I hope you all will be practicing it. If you have any doubt, you can comment it. Then only we'll be moving further with the next concept, proportion, and we'll be solving its questions. Thank you for watching. Till then, stay connected.